And it's here, the moment we've been waiting for, the 50K mark. Finally, that milestone has been hit on the index today. This has been actually the fastest rally that we've seen of nearly 5,000 points, and 3 out of the 10 worst days were in 2020. 1 out of the best 10 days in history was in 2020. So in the last 42 years, the Sensex has delivered a 16% CAGR and has moved from milestone to milestone to now hit the coveted 50K mark. So certainly that's the big headline today. The markets are rollicking in today's trading session, and you've got a very steady move coming in across the board. In fact, you've got the Sensex as well that is trading above the 14,700 mark. So steady move there, 0.5%. The broader markets are not too far behind. So you've got pretty much all-round cheer, and that can largely be attributed to the fact that we were very close to this milestone. But of course, the global fueled rally on the back of Joe Biden's becoming elected as the 46th president of the United States. So cheer all round, nothing but green on the screen. It's led by autos, energy, media, infrastructure, but pretty much everything is having a rip-roaring session. Let's take you through some of the momentous movers then, and in fact would be interesting to point out some of the interesting nifty movers in trade. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Auto, all at the top of the heap. HCL Technologies, a commendable move. Reliance Industries as well, lending its helping hand at 2083. Asian Paints ahead of its numbers. Bharti Airtel at 602. Titan, Tech Mahindra, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, Maruti, NTPC, all having a terrific run, while HDFC Bank, TCS, as well as HDFC on the Sensex are a bit tempered. Just going to quickly walk you through then some of the newsmakers in trade today. You've got a whole host of numbers that are expected. So watch out for Bajaj Auto, Asian Paints, those are the Nifty 50 companies, and then SBI Cards, Westlife, MCX, JK Tyres, Bandhan Bank among the lot. Some result reactions. Bajaj Finance, as we told you, the NII came in at 4,296 crores, PAT down 29%. Havells, a great result reaction. Margins expanded to 16% versus 11.8%. PAT grew smartly to nearly 350 crores. You've got HDFC AMC revenues at 482 crores versus 525 crores. Bajaj Finserv as well, the consolidated PAT at 1290, and you've got the consolidated total income as well, which grew to 15,961. L&T Tech as well, that's been another result reaction. Well, let's run you through some of the movers within the broader markets. Aditya Birla Fashion, JK Tyres, Havells, Future Consumer, Polycab, SKF India, Tata Motors, Tata Investment, Voltas, they're all up and away, while on the flip side, L&T Tech, AU Small, HDFC AMC, Sun TV and Godrej Consumer. But today, it's all about the Sensex and that huge milestone that we have achieved.